Now, the much-anticipated auction of former Cabinet Secretary Raphael Tuju's 20-acre property in Karen failed to materialize as scheduled after it failed to attract qualified bidders. Garam auctioneers closed the auction after those who turned up failed to provide the required deposit to participate in the sale. The auction is the latest development in the long-running dispute between Tuju and the East African Development Bank, which is seeking to recover billions of shillings linked to a loan facility advanced to Dari Limited in 2015. Garam auctioneers advertised the Entim Sidaya Wellness Sanctuary for sale today. The auction was intended to facilitate recovery of the outstanding debt owed to the East African Development Bank.
I've had a controversial relationship with the EADB Bank and, of course, by extension, Garam auctioneers. As I address you now, we do have a court case against Garam auctioneers because they did claim to have auctioned one of our properties, Dari, in 2024. We were not able to trace the date when they did it. We have not been able to trace the bidders who bid, except one, and they have not been able to produce the bid bonds that the bidders participated in that deed. But when I came, of course, we were waiting to see who the bidders are. Up to now, we have not seen any bidder. In their own admission, they have said that the auction process has aborted for lack of bidders.
Now, as Kenya begins preparations